Good morning, students. I am your math teacher from Shivaji Group of Institutions. In our last class, we studied about exercise 6a, chapter sets. Now let's continue from there and let's study about what is a subset. What is a subset? If we have two sets like A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and another set which has elements 1, 2. Okay, look at this one. Here it has four elements, it has 2 elements, and these 2 elements are same to this one. Okay, all these elements are present in this also. Okay, so this set will be known as subset of this set A. Okay, this B will be called subset of A. Okay, that means when a set has some element and another set has all the elements of the set B, then B is subset of A, and this is the sign for subset. Okay, this is the sign for subset. Okay, now if we talk about superset, then here for the same example, A is a superset of B. A is a superset of B. Okay, that means all the elements of B are present in A. Here, all the elements of B present in A. B is a subset of A and A is a superset of B. Okay, here if the number of elements are same, then also this set will be also the subset of this one. If we talk about what is a proper set, we know subset. Now we talk about superset, and now we are going to study proper set. Proper set or proper subset. What do we know that about the proper subset? Proper subset. What is proper subset? If here in this case these 2 elements are present in this one, but if B has, let us say C has equal same elements as B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if C has exactly the same elements of A, then also C is a subset of A. That means for being a subset, if the elements are less in the subset set, then this is also a subset. If the numbers and elements are exactly the same and same number of elements, then this is also a subset. Okay, but for a proper subset, the number of elements cannot be equal to this. In this case, B is subset of this A, also B is proper subset of A. Here, B is also a proper subset of A, but C is not a proper subset of A. C is not a proper subset of A because it has equal and same number of elements. When same number of elements are also present, then these are only subset, not proper subset. For being a proper subset, some few elements should be less. At least one element should be less from the main set. Okay. So here B is a proper subset of A. Okay. Now number of possible subset of a given set. If we talk about what is the number of proper subset of a given set, so then this is equal to 2 to the power n. There is a formula for finding the number of possible subsets is 2 to the power n. From this we can find the number of possible subsets. How can we find out this? What is here n? N is the number of elements. Here A has subsets of A will be, possible subset of A will be 2 to the power 4, that is 16 to the power 4. That means A has 16 subsets. A has 16 subsets. Okay. Now let's come to the universals. Let us say a subset, a set has P. Generally, universal set is represented as U. Universal set is represented by U, and if let us say it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and another set P has 1, 2 and 3, and Q has 4, 2, 6, okay, then this and this same, these elements are present in this set, so this set will be the universal set for these two sets. Okay, that means all the elements of this one are present here and this one also present here, so this set will be called universal set and these are the sets. Okay, so larger set will be called universal set. Now let's talk about complement of this. Here we have a universal set and there is a set P. What will be the complement of this P? For complement of a set P, we represent P dash. What is P dash? And for P dash, we have all the elements except P. All the elements except P present in U. What are the elements present in U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And review these elements 1, 2, 3. Remaining elements are 4, 5, 6. So complement of set P is equal to 4, 5 and 6. Now if we talk about complement of set Q, so it will be 1, 3, 5. Okay, these will be the complement of a set Q. So now let's come our exercise 6b. Here our first question is given like indicate whether the given statement is true or false. Triangle is a subset of quadrilateral. It is given triangle is a subset of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 sides and triangle has 3 sides. They cannot be same. So this statement is false. Square and rectangle. Square is a subset of rectangle. Yes. In some special cases, we find square from rectangle. So this is a true statement. Similarly, rest of the question can be done. Let's come to question number second part. Here A is given like this, and it is asked to write down all the subsets of this set A. Then subsets of A क्या हो जाएंगे? These will be, first one will be in empty set. This second will be 3, fourth will be 4, this and 3 comma. These will be the subset of this. And we can check the number of the subsets are from the, we know that for the finding of the number of subset of a set is 2 to the power n, and for 2 to the power 2, because we have 2, how many elements are here? 2 elements. For 2 square it is given 4, and we have 4 subsets here, so our answer is right. So similarly this question can be done, and our homework for today will be exercise 6b, question number 1 to 6. Thank you.